Evening, everyone. I wanted to do a quick video just to kind of explain what I'm going to be doing with my VXR to kind of fix the little bit of an issue that I've had since I bought it. So I bought the bow back beginning of 2020, and I've been shooting it quite a bit since then, and I for some reason just cannot get a comfortable hold or grip on the grip that it came with. So the stock grip. I have, shot a nice buck this season with it. It's performing, but not to the specs that I want it to. I just, I get good groups, and then I have a couple flyers here and there, and I'm more than positive it has something to do with just the grip not being as comfortable as it could be. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to take the grip off the bow, and I'm actually going to try shooting it from the riser. I find that a skinnier grip works better for me. One of the best shooters that I had, or one of the best bows that I had, or at least felt the most comfortable to me, was I can't remember the name of it, but it was a Hoyt bow. I had side plates on it. Thing felt just amazing in the hand. You hold it out here, it just sat right in there, didn't move, just very solid, and it was just because of the very skinny grip on that. So like I said, I'm going to pull the grip off of the VXR that I have here, try shooting from the riser, see how that feels. I may add side plates to it at some point, or just wrap it with baseball or tennis wrap at some point, but we'll give the riser a feel, see how that does, and just kind of go from there. So what I'm going to do is just show you how I'm going to do that, and then we'll go out and shoot it and see if it makes any difference, or at least to see if I feel any difference with it. So what we're going to do, we've got the VXR 31.5 right here. We've got the just stock grip right there. So pretty much what you are going to want to do if you want to do this yourself, just kind of right here, grab this, just kind of work your fingers down and just kind of peel it. I mean, you're gonna have to peel it a little bit and just kind of slide it off right there. So there is some adhesive in there, so it's going to be a little sticky. So what you're going to want to do, some people use Gooby Gone. I don't have any of that. What I've got is just some regular old white rubbing alcohol, and I'm using a rag or an old t-shirt that I've got. So what I'm going to do is just take the alcohol, put it on here, wipe this down, get all that gunk off of there, make it nice and smooth, and just that way I don't have any sticky crap on my hands when I'm shooting it. The other thing that Matthews has done with these newer bows is they've rounded these edges off to where they're not sharp or uncomfortable, to where you can actually shoot from the riser, so that's pretty cool. Once I get the sticky off of there, it's going to feel really good. It's already a lot skinnier than the regular grip, so I think I'm going to like it. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. I'm not going to let you guys watch me do that. I mean, who wants to sit here and watch somebody wipe off gunk off their bow? So I'm going to do that, and then we'll go outside and see how it shoots. All right, we'll be back here in a little bit. All right, so we're out here in the backyard, and we've got the grip taken off. I was able to get all that glue boogers or goop or whatever you want to call it off of there. So it feels really good. Like I said, the Matthews is rounded. This here feels nice and comfortable in the hand. It doesn't look too bad either. It'll look better with some side plates or whatnot on it, but we may upgrade to that a little bit later on, or like I said, wrap it with some tennis wrap or whatnot. But anyway, I'm going to take a couple shots, see what it feels like, and let you guys see that, and we'll see what the group looks like. So should be better feel, better consistency, and tighter groups. So we'll see. It definitely feels better in the hand, just kind of lays right in there. consistent shot. Seems to be shooting roughly the same place every time. I'll move over a little bit, but I'm taking care of it. So that's 3-shot group. We'll go and check that out and see what that looks like. So it's all right. So shooting the bow without the grip definitely has a improved feel to it. It's definitely a lot skinnier, fits right in my hand the way that I like it. So it definitely improved my shot and accuracy and consistency as well. So if you're having issues with your VXR or V3 Matthews grip, try shooting it from the riser. Definitely makes a difference for me. It might make a difference for you too. I'll probably move it up to a side plate at some point, like I said before, but we're gonna go check out the group and just show you what the group looks like compared to, well, I don't have a comparison, but I definitely didn't have any scragglers. Everything went right where I wanted it to. So definitely an improvement in my opinion. And like I said, if you are having issues getting comfortable with your grip on the VXR or even the V3, you may want to think about shooting off the riser or getting side plates on it. But anyway, we're going to flip this around. Sorry about the sun there, but this is my group. I'll take it. Not too shabby. Anyway, like I said, definitely an improvement for me. Feels a lot better, a lot more comfortable when I'm shooting. So that's very important when you are shooting archery, is to be as comfortable and relaxed as possible, and that'll increase your accuracy and confidence as well. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.